Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add variable shipping fees in Woocommerce on your WordPress site. Variable shipping fees let us charge different shipping rates based on location, weight, or order value. Adding variable shipping fees helps us calculate shipping costs more accurately instead of using a single fixed rate. We can adjust fees depending on the customer's location, delivery method, or product details, so we cover shipping expenses and keep prices fair for customers. Now, let's go through how to add shipping fee variables on Woocommerce. First, open your browser. Once the browser is open, go to workcameras.com. Next, log into your account. After logging in, go to My Stores under your account. Click My Stores. Here, we will open our site or store. Once it finishes loading, go to Commerce. Let's proceed to Woocommerce, and under Woocommerce, select Settings. When redirected to Settings, go to Shipping. If we click Shipping, you will see the shipping zone. We can add shipping zones here and set the rates we want. For example, let's add shipping zone. You can add as many zones as needed. Next, let's add a zone for the Philippines. Start typing zones, like Europe, for example. Select the correct option. Let's click to add a shipping method. Choose the shipping and select flat rate. Once you're done, continue and input the rate, for example, 50. Then click Create and Save. After that, click Add Shipping Method. Select Configure Shipping Settings and also Calculations. Here, you can set shipping destinations. You can enable debug mode as well. You can also add a local pickup option. Enable local pickup if someone wants to pick up their order. Once everything is set, click that changes. Now, the shipping zone is added, for example, from Philippines to Europe or islands, with the flat rates you set. If someone orders from islands, the shipping fee will show up accordingly. This is how we add variable shipping fees on Woocommerce. Once set up, our store will automatically apply the correct shipping charges at checkout.